So we're thinking about not only the audio experience, but also the installation and the aesthetics of the audio product, because it could be the best sounding product in the world. So in terms of the three words, I would say this is our main slogan is power it, sync it and play it.
สวัสดีครับวันนี้เราอยู่ที่บริษัทอัศวะโสพลนะครับผมอยู่กับมิสเตอร์เวสลีย์จาก Lithe Audio ประเทศอังกฤษนะครับมีเรื่องราวที่น่าสนใจมากมายนะครับโปรดติดตามนะครับ
My name is Wesley Siu. I'm the co-founder of Lithe Audio with Amit. We started the business in 2016. We are a UK-based company.We design all-in-one audio products. Back in 2016, when we founded the company, we were looking at different types of audio products. And what we found on the market was that there was a gap in the market for an all-in-one approach because there was lots of amplification products, which is amplifier and passive speakers via speaker cable.But there's no products with the amplifier built into the actual speaker itself in terms of a ceiling speaker. So as a result, myself and Amit, we were both designers. We came up with the concept of a Bluetooth all-in-one solution with the amplifier built into the speaker via Bluetooth, and you can easily install the speaker as well as play from your phone. So it makes it very easy to use and integrate.We met each other a few years ago just after COVID. SE in Barcelona came to our stand. They were really interested in our product to offer, and they believed that the market needed a product like Lithe Audio, which was simple to install, easy to use, and great sound quality. As a result of this time, so over the last couple of years, we will build up our partnership and.Lots of certifications for the Thailand market, and now we're in a great position at this launch event to really push out to the Thailand market Lithe Audio. The strategy for a Thailand market, I think, is quite key in the sense of we're going to approach the dealers, they're going to push out to the retailer market and also the installation market and push out into those kind of mainstream categories to provide information to the end users via the dealers and give as much demonstration like we have today to explain how it works and how simple the approach is for Lithe Audio. So in terms of the presentation today, we're explaining the whole journey of how we started at Lithe Audio and also what different offerings we have in terms of the technologies we provide, and more importantly we're showing you how to use them and how to engage your customers in terms of usability, because Lithe Audio has a different approach to the way we design products. We don't necessarily look at the technology, we look at what the customer needs are and meet halfway. So what that means is that the customer experience is going to be simple, intuitive and easy to use, and that's really important from us.And making it easy to use on a daily basis. We don't need to buy a product that you don't use. We want you to buy and enjoy the product every single day of your life, whether that be in the kitchen or bathroom. What sets itself apart from others is the way we think about audio is, yes, we want great sound. That's really important. But what we really sets ourselves apart from others is, like, for example, the IO1.When I was designing the IO1, I designed the bracket first and then the audio part second, whereas most companies would design the audio part and then the afterthought is the bracket. So we're thinking about not only the audio experience, but also the installation and the aesthetics of the audio product, because it could be the best sounding product in the world, but it may be aesthetically not appealing. So it's important it's both aesthetic and also it can fit within the area and environment you live and work in. Like for example, the IO1, we have a bracket that can be used on multiple different applications.
Okay.
So whether that be on the wall, on a corner, in a corner, on the ceiling, mounting from up above and suspended,
Okay.
on the ground spike.
Like a soundbar, something like that.
Yeah, and soundbar, yeah, exactly, soundbar mode on the countertop. And this is all using one bracket with the addition of a ground spike. So that's only two products you need to use in addition, which is one which is included in the product. It makes it extremely easy for the installer. So what typically happens is the installer goes to site and they then try to fit the product in the idealistic place that they would like to put it. But in real terms, you can't fit it because maybe there's a pipe or electrical cable behind. So you have to change. So maybe you have to move it from the idealistic position to another location. With our product, because the bracket is so versatile, it means then you can move it around without having to come back another day, wasting time and money for the installer, and then you can install it that given day very easily and simply. So we have two different offerings for the Bluetooth speaker. We have the 4-inch, which is just launched a few months ago, which is a entry-level price point for Bluetooth. And then we have the 6.5-inch Bluetooth, which is the one we started in 2016. This one has great features. This one has pin protection, volume capping, and also renaming, as well as we can do EQs and multi-zoning we can do via our Lithe Audio Bluetooth app. So something very unique within our products. And then this is for single room solutions for kitchens, bedroom, bathrooms. So that's great for that side.
Okay.
And then we also have, because we listened to our customers in about 2018, and they wanted a multi-room solution. So this is the reason why the Wi-Fi version 2 was born. And then we integrated Bluetooth, AirPlay, Chromecast, and Spotify Connect, all within one product.
Okay.
And then as a result of that, we then listened to our installation customers, the professional kind of customers, and they wanted something with some additional features. So we added Ethernet. So we added not just one Ethernet port, because we wanted to save cabling.
Okay.
So we go from the main switch into the speaker, the IP addresses on our chipset, and then goes into the next one, and daisy chains up to 10. The LAN line,
Okay.
the LAN, so it daisy chains, so it goes from one to the other. So it saves cable run and also expense of the labour to run the cables. We can then have a additional bolt-on onto the Pro that you can bolt onto the back that has low voltage power via PoE++, which is 60 watt dedicated power from a network switch, and then you can use that instead of mains power. And a new addition is the WiSA module. Okay. So you can open the side of the product up and add this module, and then you can have Dolby Atmos for WiSA, and WiSA enables you to have scalability of Dolby Atmos up to 28 channels using different mediums.
It works wirelessly, right?
Completely wirelessly, and it gives you the versatility to upgrade. So you may start at 3.1, and then you can keep on going up and up and up, and you can stack channels as well. We set aside to say that our products should be used all the way from young child all the way up to older generation. It's important the usability and the UI is very simple to use and install. But in terms of our target audience, I would say our demographic is probably from around about 30 to 55, 60. But that doesn't mean to say that we can't facilitate every single spectrum, because our products will meet everything. We have, because our products are very simple and for hotels in Bluetooth, we've done many projects in the hotel market, because we have pin protection, we have renaming of the rooms, and then you can have a unique pin number like you have in a Wi-Fi in the room. But the most important feature, as I mentioned before, is that we have volume capping. So it means that you don't disrupt the next door guest with too much power, so it's too much volume. So we can cap the volume. That's both mechanically, we can cap by 50%, or dynamically through the app. We can do that with the app as well. So it gives the hotel establishment a lot of power to adjust accordingly to their quiet mode. So lots of hotels, there's a new quiet mode, which is 55 dB. But you can do that now with Lithe Audio.
for the coffee shop, something like that.
Very simple
Yeah.
because all they need is just one pair or two pairs. Did many restaurants using both Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth, but because it's so simple and easy to use, it works on many spectrums. So it does work very well. So we're quite happy about that. In terms of strategy, we haven't been too involved in terms of the strategy because that's obviously our distributor, Asasopon. But in terms of the way we see, because they have great mediums of online presence,
Okay.
They've got retail shops. They've been around for 60 years. They have great respect in the market, absolutely unbelievable family and great trust in them. And as a partnership, we don't just think of them as a distributor, we think of them as a partner. They know their market extremely well, and as a result, they have a lot of respect. So I think they will sell very well. So vision for Lithe Audio is to, currently we're looking at residential products and touching on hotel type products. We are looking at more retail based products, which are more out the box and you put and you play straight away. So we are looking at those type of products. That's not to say we will do it. We are investigating to see if there's a market that we can make an impact. We don't want to copy products. We don't want to just have a product for product's sake. It's important as a brand, Lithe Audio stands for being innovative and different. So if we're going to provide a product, it must be different, otherwise we're not going to do it. So we are looking at also more professional range and looking at mainstream hotels, offices, churches, restaurants, bars, you name it in terms of commercial wise, but making it simple, using instead of multitude of different products, maybe that's amplifiers, streaming services, decoders, DACs, all sorts of different things, we will replace everything into one product. So that's something that's really exciting. It's going to be launched for next year. So basically what happens now is if you buy any one of our speakers, one is always active and one is always the slave. And what we mean by the slave is that the slave is a passive.
Okay.
So you connect the passive to the active via speaker cable, and that gives you stereo. If you have it greater than say 3 meters separation, then you have it as mono, because then you don't get the separation left and right. So we have that available now, and it works very well.
And plug in just only one something like that.
Yes, so we have the micro subwoofer. Yes, we have the micro sub, which gives you a nice bass depth, which maybe the scene speakers, other types of speakers, they don't have. You can utilize that with Alexa or Google to enhance the speakers. You can also use it in conjunction with our Bluetooth in-scene speaker and using Alexa and Google, and you can group them together, which natively within Bluetooth you cannot. So now we can with the introduction of this. So in terms of the 3 words, I would say this is our main slogan is power it, sync it and play it. So it's very simple to power the speaker, very easy to connect your phone, and in terms of playing it's very simple. So those are 3 key points. Well, thank you. Welcome to Lithe Audio. We're introducing the Lithe Audio brand to Thailand. We hope you enjoy the all-in-one approach, which is the pair it, sync it, play it, which makes it very easy to use on a daily basis, and we want you to enjoy music with Lithe Audio. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.